Mama Moonstar here, September 6, 2020, about 3 on a Sunday afternoon. Looking out my back door toward the woods, hearing this sound I don't know how to explain. I'm wondering what kind of animal or bird it might be. Could be a woodpecker. Well, that was my noisy dog just now. Hey, Stormy. Hopping down the back steps here. What is that, Stormy? You hear it? The old woodpile there. Yeah, I don't think it's a woodpecker. Hear that? I think it must be some kind of bird, but I'm not sure. Go Stormy in the undergrowth there, and the weeds disappearing into the leaves, and she's headed toward the woods. Maybe she hears it too. Got a car going by. The road's right up front there. Man, that's a lot of traffic. Looked like they had four-wheelers or, I'm not sure, golf carts on the back. People like to come up here on the weekends sometimes in the nicer weather and go to their camps and such. But yeah, I still don't know what that sound is. I don't think it's my neighbor over there. She has a fence line, electric fence, and sheep and chickens and such, and a dog, a little farm going on, but that does not sound. I mean, it sounds like a drill, but it sounds like an animal. So I don't think it's my neighbor either. Alright, well, if anybody thinks they know what that odd sound is, please leave me a comment.